कुछ होता है.
Something happened.
Something happen in your life, in your heart.
Yeah.
In Malay, we call ada benda yang terjadi.
Ada benda terjadi.
Nah, ada benda terjadi. Tumpah seair. Okay, in that song you have tumpah seair. What is that? Tumpah seair.
It's like you came close to me.
Oh, not spill the water. No. Oh,
No.
not spill the water.
No.
It's like in Malay, awak datang dekat dengan saya.
Awak datangkan saya.
Awak datang
Awak datang
dekat dengan
dekat dengan
saya.
saya. Saya means me.
Ya. Janam-janam.
It's like ages for ages.
Then after janam-janam, satu cilna yuhin. What is that?
It's like for ages and ages, walk with me.
Dari dulu,
Dari dulu,
kita berjalan sama-sama.
kita berjalan sama-sama.
How are you?
Aap kaise ho?
Aap kaise ho? In Malay?
Apa khabar?
She knows. Apa khabar? Aap kaise ho? Aap
Aap kaise ho?
I love you.
मुझे आपसे प्यार है.
Mujhe aapse pyar hai.
Ya.
Mujhe aapse pyar hai.
Ya.
In Malay, saya sayang awak.
Saya awak.
Mujhe aapse pyar hai.
What?
Mujhe aapse pyar hai. Tak jadi ya, geng.